Some thoughts should pass through, not settle. Imagine your mind as a vast, open sky. Thoughts, like clouds, drift in and out of view. Some are light and wispy, barely noticed. Others are dark and heavy, threatening to block out the sun. Our instinct can be to fight these dark clouds, to push them away, or to analyze them until they consume the entire sky. But what if we simply let them pass? What if we acknowledge their presence without inviting them to stay? This is the practice of letting go. It's a gentle but powerful shift from holding on to simply observing. Heavy thoughts often feel convincing, but not every thought deserves attachment. They can arrive with a sense of urgency, disguised as crucial warnings or undeniable truths. Thoughts like, "What if I fail?" or "I'm not good enough." They feel real, solid, and important. We give them weight by believing they are a part of us, rather than just visitors passing through our awareness. Attachment is what turns a fleeting thought into a heavy burden. It's the act of clinging to a passing cloud, refusing to let it drift away, and in doing so, we anchor the storm within our own minds. Observation protects peace. By becoming the observer, you create a space between yourself and your thoughts. You are the sky, not the clouds. From this quiet vantage point, you can watch them come and go without being swept away. You can notice their texture, their shape, their tone without getting entangled in their story. This simple act of noticing, without judgment or reaction, is a profound act of self-care. It allows you to reclaim your inner calm, reminding you that your peace is not determined by the weather of your mind, but by the stillness of your observation. Let one heavy thought pass today. You don't need to solve it or fight it. Just for a moment, try this. Bring a heavy thought to mind. Acknowledge it is there. Now take a slow breath in, and as you breathe out, visualize the thought gently floating away, like a leaf on a stream, continuing on its journey. It doesn't need to disappear forever. The goal is not an empty mind, but a peaceful one. By choosing not to hold on, you affirm your own strength and your right to inner peace. You are not your thoughts. You are the quiet, steady presence that witnesses them all.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.